If your CGPA is low, this is exactly how students are still getting accepted abroad. And most people are doing this wrong. In the last video, I showed you universities, but this is real strategy. Step 1. Fix your profile. Universities look beyond CGPA and certification, internship, experience. Step 2. Your motivation letter. Don't copy. Explain your journey and your growth. Step 3. Foundation or pre-master. This is the hidden part many students ignore. Step 4. Apply smart. Choose the right universities, not just many. Step 5. Timing and documents. Apply highly and submit complete documents. This is how students with low CGPA get accepted. Comment low CGPA and I will guide you. The next video, I will show you how to write a powerful SOP. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.